In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new units and components on the mobile app. You can click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open up the main menu. Now click on Sample Submission, which is the second item from the top of the list. Okay, let's add a new unit. On this sample submission page, you're going to need to fill out the company name. Press the right arrow on the company name field to choose from a list of company names. Once you select the company name, you can press Use Selected at the bottom, and that will automatically generate the customer number. From here, you can press the plus symbol next to Unit ID. On this screen, you can fill out the unit ID. It's also required to fill out the service meter units of measure. Select your unit of measure and press Done, and then press Next at the bottom of the screen. You'll get a notification pop up that indicates your unit was created successfully, and you'll be brought to the new component information page. From here, you can fill out the component name and the component type, as well as the component unit of measure and the fluid. Once all required fields are submitted, you can press Submit right at the bottom of your screen. And if you did this correctly, you'll get a pop-up that says the component was added successfully. And there we go. That's how you add a new unit and component on the mobile app.